Imagine waking up one morning, and Earth's invisible shield against the sun has vanished. The magnetic field that has protected life for billions of years is gone. What happens next? Brace yourself. This is not science fiction. This is reality. Our planet is surrounded by an invisible force, the magnetic field. Generated by the swirling molten iron in the Earth's core, it shields us from deadly solar radiation and cosmic rays. Without it, life as we know it would face immediate danger. This protective bubble has existed for billions of years. It deflects solar winds traveling over 1,000,000 miles per hour and keeps our atmosphere stable. But history shows that this field is not permanent. It can weaken, fluctuate, or even collapse. If the magnetic field suddenly collapsed, the effects would be immediate. Satellites in orbit would begin to fail, scrambling GPS signals and communications. Air traffic would grind to a halt. Cities might see power outages as electrical systems overload. And in the skies, auroras, normally a polar phenomenon, would explode across the entire planet, glowing red and green even at the equator. With no shield, cosmic radiation would rain down on the surface. Skin burns, eye damage, and DNA mutations could occur within hours. Airline flights at high altitudes would become deadly. Even the atmosphere offers little protection against this invisible threat. Power grids would collapse under geomagnetic storms. Satellites, the backbone of our modern world, would fry. Internet networks, banking systems, and communication infrastructure would all fail. Transportation, hospitals, and food supply chains, when everything reliant on technology, would be disrupted. Civilization itself could be on the brink. Normally, the magnetic field deflects charged particles from the sun and cosmic rays from deep space. Without it, these particles would collide with Earth's atmosphere, producing intense radiation showers. The ozone layer could weaken further, letting in even more harmful ultraviolet light. A solar storm similar to the Carrington event of 1859 could wipe out modern electronics globally. And unlike the 19th century, today we depend on these systems for survival. Animals that navigate using the magnetic field would be lost. Birds, whales, turtles, bees, all would struggle to find their way. Migratory patterns could collapse, upsetting entire ecosystems. Predators and prey alike would lose coordination, threatening the delicate balance of life on Earth. Over weeks and months, the chaos would deepen. Repeated solar storms would disable power grids. Agriculture could fail due to unpredictable radiation exposure. Humanity would have to adapt, building underground shelters, radiation-proof cities, and learning to survive without modern technology. Earth without its magnetic shield would start to resemble Mars, a world exposed to deadly cosmic radiation, with a thinning atmosphere and violent solar storms. A single massive solar flare could knock out our electrical systems for years. Modern civilization, reliant on technology, would be fragile and vulnerable. People would learn to survive in new ways. Underground bunkers, shielded laboratories, and radiation-proof infrastructure would become essential. Humanity would be forced to confront its reliance on technology and the fragile systems that support modern life. Every action, from traveling to communicating, would need careful planning. Survival would become a global priority, as the invisible forces that protect life were gone. The magnetic field has been our silent guardian for billions of years. Its collapse wouldn't just be a disaster, it would be a countdown to the end of modern civilization. This invisible shield reminds us of how fragile life truly is on this pale blue dot. And it asks us a question: how prepared are we for a world without it?